Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Camera-powered, phone on the same too, 4 GHz network and the Zosi Smart App installed. Once done, create or sign into your account and grant camera and location permissions so pairing works. Next, power the camera and watch for the solid LED. That tells you it's ready. Then open the app and tap Add Device, selecting the Wi-Fi setup flow. This is the first actionable step that begins the link between device and cloud. Now you complete pairing and configure recording. If the app prompts, use QR scan or switch to AP mode. Both routes feed the camera your 4 GHz SSID and password. Be precise because passwords are case sensitive. Once paired, name the camera so you can identify it, then choose recording, motion triggered, continuous, or scheduled. Adjust sensitivity to reduce false alarms. After that, enable cloud or local SD storage. Set push notifications, and finish by validating the system. Trigger motion, review saved clips, and test remote access over cellular to ensure off LAN control. Make sure firmware is up to date inside the app and secure your account with a strong password and 2-factor authentication if offered. This protects your streams. If anything goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the camera and router, perform a camera reset, then immediately retry the pairing flow within 1 minute to avoid timeout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.